Hi there, Evergreen traders and investors. Welcome back to our EquiTalks episodes, and we are already on our episode number 100. So, 900 more videos to go to complete our goal of publishing 1,000 videos this 2020. But again, this is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. And in today's 100th episode, let's talk about Globe Telecom with a stock code of GLO or GLOW. And by the end of this discussion, I am going to answer this question. Should you top up or wait some more? We will find out. Of course, I will have to give you first my technical analysis that is based on my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. For the new listeners or new followers, let me just introduce to you what's this evergreen strategy. It's a collection of my proprietary methodologies whenever I do short-term trading or long-term investing in the Philippine stock market. You heard it right. It works whether you are into active trading or long-term investing. And to know more about the lessons that you're going to learn from me in this online stock market course, let me just invite you to visit our website at equilyst.com and then click on the course page or menu on our website. So let's take a look at the daily chart of Globe. So today, February 11, 2020, Tuesday, Globe closed at 2,006 pesos per share. Support is at 1,770. Resistance is at 2,100 pesos per share. Foreign investors registered a net foreign buying worth 5.6 million pesos today. The 10 SMAC D combo is still bullish, and speaking of which, I know for some of you, or for many of you even, this 10 SMAC D terminology is not that common, but you're going to learn more about it in our online stock market course, together with the other terminologies that you will hear from me, which may not be that familiar to you. Moving forward, the risk level of Globe is still low due to its historical volatility score of 28.31%. The total turnover value today for Globe reached 42.39 million pesos. Foreign traders were the main drivers of Globe's price movement today. These foreign investors are net buyers year to date, by the way. Okay, they are net buyers year to date. And according to my trade and volume distribution analysis for Globe, the volume weighted average price of Globe is at 1,996.73. Luckily, that's lower than the last price. Why luckily? Well, if you are hoping to get a bullish momentum power indicator, the VWAP should be lower than the last price. Okay, but let's take a look at the other elements of the momentum power indicator because that's not the only element. And it has four elements, and I'm not going to discuss all of those four in this EquiTalks episode. Just to know more about those things, get your access to our online stock market course. That's where I discussed those things in detail. Let's proceed. The dominant range of Globe today is between 1,993 to 2,006 pesos per share, which is closer to the intraday high than the intraday low. And this makes a bullish momentum power indicator. Wow. So do we have a buy signal confirmation? Yes, we do. How did I know? Well, the 10 MACD and the momentum power indicator of Globe are both bullish. So there's a buy signal confirmation. The true market sentiment of Globe for today is neutral. So for your favorite part, the recommendations. Now, understand that my recommendation is always under the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact because your trailing stop represents the amount of risk or the percentage of risk that you can only handle or tolerate. Otherwise, what's the sense of holding a stock if it's already moving beyond the risk that you can only handle? Make sense? All right. So if you still have Globe, I would recommend that Or if you are planning to top up to buy more shares of Globe, you can go ahead and do that. You have a data-driven basis to top up within the dominant range and not at any random price under the ask column on your broker's account, on your online stockbroker's account. Now, if you are planning to do a test buy to enter on a new position on Globe, first things first, calculate your reward to risk ratio. If you are satisfied with your triple R, that's the logical time that you should position for a test buy within the dominant range. What is this reward to risk ratio thingy? Well, just go ahead and visit our website at equilyst.com and then click on resources, click tools, and then click reward to risk ratio calculator. You can use that. You can access it for free. Okay? So that's it. So did we answer the question? Should you top up or wait some more? Well, you can top up if you'd like to. And of course, if your buying power allows it, we have a buy signal confirmation for Globe. Okay, please remember also that these buy signal confirmations are subject to change. Of course, that goes without saying. All right? Sentiments change when data changes or when data change. That goes without saying, like what I've mentioned. Now, if you are one of our customers or subscribers in our stock market subscription service, you can always ask for our latest analysis and recommendation for Globe or for any other stock listed in the PSE in our private clients forum. You are entitled to an unlimited request for our latest analysis and recommendation for any stock listed in the PSE in our private clients forum, not on Facebook, not on email, etc. Okay? How do you become a subscriber? Visit our website at equilyst.com and then click on the subscribe page or menu on our website. All right? So there are 6 inclusions, and I would really recommend that you read every single word. When you click the subscribe menu or page on our website, you will see 6 or maybe 7 orange read more details buttons. Click all those buttons and then read everything from the very first letter to the very last punctuation mark. Okay? So that you know what you are exactly paying for. All right? So, and also let me invite you to sign up to our free newsletter so that you will receive an email when we publish a new episode like this one. How do you subscribe? Go to our website at equilyst.com, click on resources, click learn, and then click this orange button that says sign up, and then check your inbox to confirm your registration. If there's no confirmation email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. And lastly, follow us on all of our social media accounts. Check the description box down below. You will see the links to our social media channels. That way, you will also be alerted through your favorite social media account when we publish a new episode, in addition to that email that you will also receive. All right, so if you have questions about this podcast or video, you can comment down below, depending on whether you are listening to this one on SoundCloud or if you're watching this on our YouTube channel. Okay, comments are welcome, and please do so. Let us know as well if you like what we're doing here in our EquiTalks episodes. All right, my name is JC De Guzman, and thank you for listening to our EquiTalks episode number 100 for Globe Telecom. Always remember, be evergreen.